Warning.
Impacted include Anadarko, Binger, Gracemont, Lakiva, Kodar, Lake Chickasha, Cedar Lake, and Stecker. For your protection,
SVR.
to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The flash flood watch continues for portions of Central.
That one failed to go off again.
County in central Oklahoma, northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma. Until noon Central Standard Time at 11:10 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles east of Denver, moving north at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Newcastle, Blanchard, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres, Tuttle, Nichols Hills, Amber, Bridge Creek, Middleburg, and Woodlawn Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The flash flood watch continues for portions of central Oklahoma, east central Oklahoma, southeast Oklahoma.
I don't know why the E-ton failed to go off again. Probably of signal issues, or just I programmed it wrong. But I could have sworn I programmed it to Grady County. I don't know. Probably because I didn't press confirm. Whatever.